Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Chase and Skye from Paw Patrol. Let's start drawing. I'm going to draw Chase first. I start with his nose and his mouth. Then I draw his very big eyes. And the shape of his head. Now I draw his hat on the top of his head. With a paw in the middle. Then I draw his ears. Let's draw his dog collar. And his two legs like this. Now let's draw Skye next to him. I start with his nose and a smiling mouth. Then I draw his cute eyes. I like this! And the shape of his head. I draw his glasses on the top of his head. I draw his ears. Finally, I draw his collar and his paws too. It also looks very good. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I colored Chase. I colored the nose with dark brown. Then I used this brown marker for his eyes. I colored this part with light brown. Then I used this darker shade for the rest of his fur. Red. For his hat, I use black. Yellow. Blue. And gray. I color his neck with black, gray, and blue with yellow. Great! Let's color Skye. Now I color his nose with dark brown. Then I use this marker for his eyes. Cream. For her furry fur, I used 3 different shades of brown. Then I color her glasses with pink, and I used the same marker for her necklace. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.